Okay everyone, so this is the Chariot 2 Igloss 20, and for some reason my machine here wouldn't work. The spinner wouldn't spin. So I found that on the internet that you need to reset the machine, the circuit breaker. So this is how you do it. So firstly you open the cap by doing this, and then you open it, and right there you will see the reset button, the red one here, and you just pop it in when you hear a click like that, and then that's it. So it's already reset, and you can try it again. Hopefully it would work. Yeah, thank you for watching.